What is packaging tape called in the US? What is adhesive tape or is Scotch tape that is used for packaging things is usually called in the United States? What verb do you usually use for to package something with packaging tape? Maybe to scotch something?
This is called packaging tape or packing tape. The verb used would usually be simply to tape. If the speaker wanted to be more specific, he could say, tape the box shut with packaging tape. Scotch tape is generally used in the United States for a much lighter variety of tape that is mostly suitable only for taping papers and wouldn't be used for something like boxes. This is despite the fact that Scotch is a brand name of tape and could include numerous tape products. From Wikipedia, this is what Americans generally call Scotch tape and what they would think of if they heard Scotch tape. I should note that in American use, it might not always be capitalized and could very well appear as Scotch tape. I've even seen Scotch tape.
In the US, Scotch is a brand name of tape, manufactured by the company 3M. The Scotch brand is so prevalent in the US that Scotch tape has become a genericized trademark. As Jim said, when hearing the term, Scotch tape, most Americans will conjure an image like this in their minds. However, 3M makes other kinds of packing tapes, sometimes called strapping tape as well, particularly when it's reinforced, also under the Scotch brand name. Here's a screenshot from the 3M website. Note the consistent use of the word Scotch for 3M tapes, and the several variants of packaging tapes available. That's all I've got. I think that's a wrap.
And this is how our eBay winnings arrive wrapped up in it. Anyway, that's enough pictures. The more lightweight stuff Op calls Scotch tape is usually called sellotape in the UK. That's just another brand name. The actual 3M Scotch brand is probably more common, but we stick to sellotape for the generic name. As with Hoover and Biro, no one cares that your particular Hoover is made by Electrolux, or your Biro by Bic.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.